This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section How Your Conditions Affect You. Part 2, Mental, Cognitive and Intellectual Capabilities. Question 11. In this part, we ask how your mental health, cognitive or intellectual problems affect how you do things daily. By this we mean problems you may have from mental illnesses like schizophrenia, depression and anxiety, or conditions like autism, learning difficulties, the effect of head injuries, and brain or neurological conditions. Only answer yes to the following questions if you can do the activity safely, to an acceptable standard, as often as you need to, and in a reasonable length of time. Question 11. About learning to do tasks. If you can learn to do everyday tasks without difficulty, please tick this box and go to question 12. You do not need to continue this video. Otherwise, can you learn how to do an everyday task, such as setting an alarm clock? You can choose from no, yes, or it varies. Next, can you learn how to do a more complicated task, such as using a washing machine? You can choose from no, yes, or it varies. If you have answered no or it varies, please use the next space to tell us more about any difficulties you have learning to do tasks and why you might find it difficult. If you need more space, you can use the box on page 21 or a blank piece of paper. If you would like any additional information to be considered, only send us copies of medical or other information you already have. Do not ask or pay for new evidence. Please write your national insurance number on each piece of information you send to us. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.